Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem rotate by 90 degrees. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in the question we are given a matrix n into n, okay, and what we need to do is we need to rotate the matrix 90 degrees, okay. So basically for example if we have this matrix of n is equal to 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I rotate the given matrix by 90 degrees, the rotated matrix should be 3, 6, 9, okay, 2, 5, 8 and then 1, 4, 7. Now there is a rule, you cannot use extra space, okay. So that is a condition while you are rotating the matrix. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve it. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal in the difficulty section choose basic. Then you need to find the problem rotate by 90 degrees. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay. So let's solve the question. 1 minute. Okay. Here is the question. Let's read it. Given a square matrix of size n into n, the task is to rotate it by 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction without using extra space. Okay. I hope the question is clear to you and we need to code it over here. Okay. So let's code it. Okay. 1 minute. Let's start. Okay. So the first step is I would apply a for loop for I in range, okay, circular brackets n, colon, enter, okay. Then I have for j in range, okay, and its range is from I plus 1, comma n and then colon, enter, okay. Next I have ai, then j, okay. Then over here it is comma, ai, okay. Then over here it is, 1 minute, it is j. Then over here it is I, okay. Now over here I would be, swapping them. So it would become j, then over here it would be I, then comma, a, I, and over here it is j, okay. Now enter, okay, another for loop, okay. So for I in range n, okay, I in range n, okay. Now over here colon, enter, low equal to 0, enter, high equal to n minus 1, okay, enter. Over here it is now while low is less than high, okay, less than high. So till then colon, enter. Over here now it is a low, okay, then it is I, okay, then over here it is comma, a high, okay, then it is low, okay, 1 minute. Then it is I, then we are again swapping, okay, so again it is high, then over here it is I, okay, then comma, a, low. Basically we are swapping the values, okay, I, okay. Now over here enter, okay, now over here it is low plus equal to 1, then it is high plus equal to 1, enter. Now basically 1 minute I need to decrease the value of high, not increase, okay, enter. Now over here backspace, backspace, and finally I can just return with a, okay. Now I need to check if my solution is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, so the compilation is taking place. Let's see. Okay, so the compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output, so now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. Let's see. Okay. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem rotate by 90 degrees. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.